What is Sprinkler Magician? Well, imagine having a smart yard using an automated system that treats your whole yard for anything you might want to apply. With Sprinkler Magician, you can treat for mosquitoes and biting pests, as well as apply a whole range of other natural products. Sprinkler Magician is an entirely new approach to maintaining your garden and turf areas. It uses your existing sprinkler system and empowers it to apply a whole range of products to your property. That could mean anything from our award-winning Mosquito Magician concentrate for mosquitoes and other biting pests, to organic fertilizing, soil remediation, natural deer and animal repellents, and even water conservation products. Easily set the machine to treat all or parts of your property. For example, fertilize the entire property and treat just the backyard or pool area for mosquitoes. With Sprinkler Magician, you now have a smart yard. Installation is easy and usually takes only 2 to 4 hours. The machine has an exceptionally easy-to-use menu. Just tell it a bit about your property, like the size and number of sprinkler zones, and from there it works out exactly how much product to apply to each area. It treats on a preset schedule, so it's truly automatic. You can always run an extra treatment anytime you want at the touch of a button or through the optional remote.
Hi, my name is Kelly, and we installed the Mosquito Magician system in our home a few months ago, and it's been amazing what's happened. After only keeping it on like once, twice a week, it's like we are bug-free. No one's getting bit. It's just made our outside space so much more enjoyable. This has been a godsend. We love the system.
As well as the convenience, there's also significant savings in costs when treating your yard with Sprinkler Magician. Just think of all the labor you won't be paying to have your yard treated for pests or fertilized. Call or email us for more information.